So I'm in Feasibility on this property at Grand Coulee. It's 70 acres on the water. And I have my kids helping me. We're hunting for a well today, as well as doing test holes with my tractor, which is over there, to see if we can put in a road. And we also want to know where the well is. If it's 100 feet from the property line, that'll be a problem. The county said you'll need the neighbor's permission to run a water system off of it, because you're not allowed to have like septic or things like that even on their property if it's within 100 feet. So we're going to be trying to find the well, see how far it is from the property line, and also dig some test holes. And if everything's starting to look good to me, then I'll come back and do a pump test with a well person. So we will see how it goes. Oh, and one other thing I want to do today is I want to see if there's a path down to the water anywhere off of this property, or if it's just the sheer cliff edge. We will see.
Yeah, it's over there. We have one, yeah, but it's a tiny white spot. It's down there. A map showed us. So Dad went over there. He showed me the map. So I could figure out where's the pipe, because if we find the pipe, we get $5. If we work hard, we get $5 more. That if we get the pipe and that, we get $10.
Ooh, it's gonna be fun. We're gonna find the well today. Let's go find the well. Clint is driving the tractor around, potholing, see if there's a lot of rock under here, or if it's just sand and dirt, which will make it easier to build a road and houses and things. We will see. I still haven't found the well. Searched everywhere, I feel like. Although this is a mammoth property. This is where the well, where the seller thought the pump would, or the well would be. But you can see it's just a red fuel tank, and I think from the satellite photos, it kind of looks like what a pump would be top down. Kind of looks like a pipe lying a shadow or something, but I'm standing right on it on the GPS location, and not it, so don't really know. This property has got beautiful views. You're trapped. We'll go around in a circle, buddy. Beautiful views. Oh, there's my fussy guy up there. So you can get down to the water here. There's a trail, pretty steep, but the kids could do it, and 6-year-olds, not too bad. You can see it's mostly sand on top of cobbles, so you can dig into it and build a road and everything. Should work pretty well. Basically, the edge of the property, you got this sketchy overhang. You don't want to get within 15 feet of that, or you might tumble down. Look at that. Might be able to make a pathway around this tree somehow. So over here, if you walk down the beach a little bit, you can see there's a public beach right there. Sandy beach with buoys and things, and behind that, the rock up ahead, it goes back in, and there's a boat launch back up there, or actually maybe a little bit further down the beach. I think this is the edge of the sand beach right there. And then over there's the buoys, and then behind that is a boat launch.
I never look at my tuning.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe a homestead, Clint thought. That's cool. Like standing in a building of some sort.
Oh, you can water your garden.
Water your garden with it? Oh, somebody shot a bunch of holes in this one. Oh, this thing?
Yeah. So there's a door on this end of it. I think it was probably dug out more. I thought it was a root cellar.
That's cool. Old school root cellar. This is before you had fridges. This is what people used. Keep things cool.
Oh. Before you had fridges?